Hey friends, today I'm going to do an exciting experiment that is about density. So let's start. To start this experiment, we need water, 2 lemons, 2 glasses, salt and spoon to stir. So first I'll pour the water. Water in both of glasses. Now I'll take this lemon and drop in the water. It sinks. See? Now I know a magic trick that can make this lemon flow. So for that we need to put some salt. Now I'll stir it well. Hey friends, are you ready for the magic? I'll put this lemon in the water.
3, 2, 1.
See, the lemon floats on the water. How wonderful this is! Science is a magic that is real. Now I'll explain you this. In this glass, the lemon is heavier than water because the lemon's density is more than water. Now, when I put the salt in this, so the water's density increase and the lemon floats. See? Toing, toing. Hey, I have got an idea. I'll be right back. I'm back. So I'll check the density. So for that you'll need 2 glasses, salt and spoon. So now I'll add red color in this glass. Now I'll add blue color in this. Now I'll add 6 spoons of salt in this glass. That was lot of salt. In this glass I'll add no salt. Now I'll give it a good stir. I'll take the dropper and take the red water and put it in this. I'll add water that have no salt. Did you see the magic? Whoa! Now I'll explain you. The red water's density is more than blue water and the blue water's density is less than red water. That's why the blue water is on top. If you like this density experiment, you can do at your home.